CarHelpOut.com.
Hey everyone, Car Help Out here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into how mobile Honda mechanics are transforming auto repair services. From on-the-go repairs to pre-purchase inspections and emergency roadside assistance, I've got you covered. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car help out and get a relief under house burden. If you own a Honda or plan to buy one, stick around. This video is packed with everything you need to know. And as always, I'll share an automotive motivational car quote of the day at the end. Let's get started. First up, what is a mobile Honda mechanic? Imagine skipping the hassle of a repair shop. Mobile Honda mechanics bring the expertise and tools right to your driveway, workplace, or even the roadside. These professionals are certified and equipped to handle Honda-specific repairs. From simple fixes to advanced diagnostics, they've got it all covered. So, why should you choose a mobile Honda mechanic? Let me break it down. Convenience. They come to you. Cost-effective, no overhead like traditional shops. Expert-level care. Many are independent mobile mechanic, local automotive technician expert. Quick response times. No more waiting days for appointments. Now, planning to buy a used Honda? A Honda pre-purchase inspection is a must. This ensures the car is worth your investment. Inspections cover everything from the exterior and interior to engine diagnostics and brake performance. The goal? Spot hidden issues before they become your problem. No one plans for a breakdown, but with Honda Emergency Roadside Assistance, you're never alone. Here's what Roadside Assistance offers: flat tire changes, battery jump starts, emergency fuel delivery, lockout services, no need to towing to the nearest Honda certified repair center. Here are some of the most common services mobile Honda mechanics provide: brake repairs, parts failure and replacements, check the service engine, light computer diagnostics. Car won't start problem, test the battery, starter and alternator, and fuel, pump and water pump replacement. Not all mobile mechanics are created equal. Here's how to find the best. Check certifications, look for Honda-specific training, read reviews. What are other customers saying? Ask about warranties. Reliable mechanics stand by their work. Confirm they use Honda-specific tools. Now, let's sum up what we've learned today. Mobile Honda mechanics make repairs and maintenance convenient, affordable, and reliable. A Honda pre-purchase inspection can save you from costly surprises. Honda Emergency Roadside Assistance ensures you're covered during unexpected breakdowns. Regular maintenance by certified professionals keeps your Honda in peak condition. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Share your experiences with mobile Honda mechanics. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay prepared.